Welcome to how to get started using the CO2 with the servo-u ventilator. We'll walk through the CO2 analyzer calibration process. Insert the CO2 module and connect the CO2 cable. When the CO2 module is inserted, the symbol becomes visible on the screen. We will now go through how to calibrate the sensor during ventilation. The CO2 sensor must be calibrated using an airway adapter. There are two adapters available. The white adapter is for the adult patients and the red adapter is for the infant neonatal patients. If calibration is necessary, a message will appear on the screen. If calibration of the CO2 sensor is not performed and the CO2 sensor is connected to a patient circuit, the CO2 waveform is displayed, but no measured values will be displayed. Until calibration is complete, the waveform will have reduced accuracy and no CO2 value will be displayed. I will now show how to calibrate the sensor. Each step of the calibration is displayed before beginning the calibration procedure. The sensor needs to be worn. This is done automatically. Note this can take a few minutes. Final step is to connect the CO2 adapter to the patient circuit. You can find the entitled CO2 here. By tapping the green arrow, you access the CO2 minute elimination and the CO2 title elimination. Once the CO2 sensor is calibrated, you can enable or disable CO2 monitoring and alarms by tapping the CO2 button. Even if CO2 monitoring is disabled, the sensor will retain the calibration. The CO2 values are also trended and can be found in the trend window. The entitled CO2 alarms can be set in the alarm window. It's also possible to calibrate the CO2 sensor in standby. Go to calibration in the menu and follow the on-screen instructions.